Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful low twisted updo. To start, I'm going to section off the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears on both sides and just clip this out of the way for later. Now I'm going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just taking thin slices of hair from the crown, I'm just adding this to the scalp. Once I've got that powder added, I'm going to add a little bit of back combing all across that crown area. If you don't like back combing, you can totally skip this step. Once you've got everything back combed, just flip each section back and just smooth out the top layer with the very end of your comb. Then apply some wax spray to the top of the head, and we're just going to gather up that back combed area. Give it another smooth over with your comb and secure into a small ponytail at the back of the head. Then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at that crown area for a little bit more volume and texture. Now gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're going to release the clips from those front sections. And starting on the right hand side, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face. And I'm going to take the whole section and again just give it a tiny bit of back combing, apply some more wax spray and smooth it out and bring it round to the back of the head. Then just pin it slightly to the left hand side of that ponytail using a bobby pin or two. Then pinch and pull the side sections to match the texture at the top. Then we're simply going to repeat it on the left hand side. So take your section, add a bit of back combing, apply your wax spray and then bring it round to slightly to the right hand side of the ponytail and pin with a bobby pin. Now I'm just going to put a loose curl in this ponytail. This doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure you curl everything the same way. I'm going to divide the ponytail into 3 sections, and taking that first section on the left hand side, I'm going to twist it all in one direction. And then I'm going to bring it up and over the top of the elastic band, holding it to the right hand side and secure with a few bobby pins to the head. You can leave the tail ends hanging down on the right hand side for now. Now divide that ponytail in half, and again we're going to twist everything in one direction, and we're going to bring it up and over the first section so it lays directly on top of it. And again use a few bobby pins to pin it to the head, leaving the right hand side tumbling down. Now gather those tail ends together with the remaining section and twist everything in the same direction, and we're just going to lift it up and over the bun one more time, laying it directly on top of the last section and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And then just tuck any tail ends underneath and pin them to the head. Apply some more wax spray to your bun and just pinch and pull for a bit more texture. Then we're just going to curl those front sections away from the face on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.